Ali, I've heard dealers tell me, no matter what I do, I'm still going to get sued. I'm still going to have to pay money. Is there a way for a dealership to avoid having to pay damages or money when in a lawsuit?
Well, dealers who make those types of statements are clearly ignorant of the law, and frankly, they're ignorant of technology. The fact of the matter is, the law actually does provide for a dealership not to pay damages if they made a mistake on something, provided that they used reasonable measures and systems to prevent that mistake from happening. The dealerships who wind up in lawsuits or end up being sued or a demand letter being sent to them is because they haven't taken reasonable steps in order to protect themselves. Now, reasonable steps means that as technology goes forward, you as a dealership need to take advantage of those systems in order to prevent mistakes. I'll give you an example. There used to be a time where every risk contract that needed to be written was written by hand until DMS companies came forward and had a software that filled out the form for you, calculated the amounts, calculated the taxes, calculated the monthly payments, etc. And so we see that dealerships now use DMS systems in order to fill out their risk contracts. Well, now there is a way to fill out your disclosures the proper way. So dealers need to take advantage of that as well. If someone were to tell you that XYZ dealership is doing their contracts by hand, you'll laugh.
Yeah.
You're wondering why they're doing it like that. And you might even think that it's unreasonable. Well, that's exactly how it's going to be when it comes to disclosures. At some point with DealerXT, users of DealerXT are going to look at other dealerships and going to say, I can't believe that they're still doing their disclosures the old-fashioned way. DealerXT is the system that allows you to fill out your disclosures, to make proper disclosures, and present that to the customer in a way that it is foolproof.
Why does DealerXT satisfy the reasonable procedures, legal responsibility of a dealership?
Well, part of that reasonableness is that whatever system is employed has to be reasonably priced, reasonably available, and something that dealers can use. And DealerXT satisfies all those conditions, so there's no excuse for a dealership not to have a system like that to prevent lack of disclosure or misdisclosures.